Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've been seeing ads for the gold merging app promising easy money just by playing a fun puzzle game, this video is for you. Today we're diving into whether it's actually legit or just another scam wasting your time. Let's get into it. Quick disclaimer, all the information in this video is based on personal research and opinion. Always do your own homework before trusting any app that claims to pay you real cash. Gold merging is listed in the Google Play Store as an enchanting and addictive puzzle game. The gameplay involves merging identical pieces of gold to create bigger, shinier ones in a mystical world. Sounds fun, right? And according to the description, the more you merge, the more rewards you can earn, which they suggest could be real money. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Unfortunately, despite its partly promises, user experiences tell a different story. According to sources like appspaying.me, gold merging doesn't actually pay out even if you reach the payout threshold. The money never hits your account. It's the same pattern we've seen in many so-called cash reward apps. So is gold merging worth your time? If you're in it just for the puzzle, maybe, but if you're hoping to make real money, it's a hard pass. It looks like just another junk app with clickbait rewards. Thank you for watching. If you've tried gold merging or similar apps, drop your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest app reviews. See you in the next one.